That's a Dodge Magnum. Should have kept that. It had the T-top too. What? This is yours?
Yeah,
that's awesome.
So you're talking about the wagons?
Yeah, the wagons. Yeah. What motor is in this thing?
318.
What year is this thing again?
79.
79? Jeez. Wow. That's different.
Big old fan.
Where'd you find this thing?
I bought this one in Ingersoll.
Yeah?
And, I had one, this is a 79.
Yeah.
I had a 78.
Yeah. So you like the Magnums, eh?
The 79 I had, it was 78 I had, it was,
Yeah.
it was a daily driver.
Yeah.
So,
This is one of one and has the T-top too. Like,
they only built less than 100,000 of these.
yeah.
And they put the sunroofs in them.
Yeah.
They took them down to the States.
Yeah.
And they had a company down there that made the sunroofs up and put them in.
Really?
And they shipped them back to Canada.
That's amazing.
And this is one of 3,000.
One of 3,000?
Yeah.
It definitely is one of 3,000. It's
Really rare.
that is really rare.
They only put 3,000 T-roofs in this.
Yeah, exactly. Phenomenal. And he worked it on. You just try to keep that original.
It's all original.
It's all original. Yeah.
All original.
Amazing.
No, I've changed tires and stuff like that, but it's all original.
Amazing. That's awesome. Thank you. That's crazy, eh? Right? They should have kept the same design, to be honest with you. It is, I'm not sure. There you go.
8:36.
New episode.
Pay attention.
I am paying attention.
Oh, that's a good shot.
Very good shot.
Yeah. Good shot.
Do you guys know that this is a Magnum?
No fucking idea, actually. No idea. Didn't read.
What?
Didn't read the first 50 times.
No, I was. Yeah. They should have.